Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show product variation on WooCommerce archive pages like shop page, category page or tag page using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page and this is our variable product, and then you see multiple variation. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop to select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find all these code in video description or in comment section. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page, and then scroll down. This is our variable product, and then you see all variation on shop page. Size, drop down. Now select black, and then you see price, again select green. Now you see 20. Go to category page and refresh the page. Now scroll down in category page, you see variation, size, drop down. Now select red, and then you see price, so click on add to cart. Now you see product has been added to your cart, code red, and then you see image. Now go to shop page, here we select black and then click on add to cart, and then you see code black, price 10. So in this way you can show product variation on WooCommerce archive pages. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.